So this is the electrical charge extension video. So just a moment ago, if you've looked at the basic video, we looked at the idea that like charges repel each other. So when we have a build-up of charge, two electrons want to move apart from each other. And there's loads of everyday effects where we see a charge build up and then it starts to flow. Remember, when it starts to flow, it's called a current. And one of those is in the event of lightning. And you may have wondered why you have a lightning conductor or what a lightning conductor does. Well, in certain stormy conditions, particularly in the summer, when the air is very dry, a charge can build up in the clouds and they can accumulate a number of electrons through processes that happen in the atmosphere. Now those electrons want to go somewhere. On a wet day, it's quite easy for them to actually spread out naturally into the water molecules and the surrounding air. On a very dry day in the summer, before a storm approaches, they build up to very large levels. Eventually, the potential difference, the difference in how negative the cloud is and the relative positivity of the ground means that those electrons can jump and then leap, and you'll see a lightning bolt leap across to the ground. However, electricity always follows the path of least resistance. Hopefully by now you come across the concept of resistance. And air has a very high resistance. On a building, we actually want to encourage electricity to flow through a directed path rather than just wherever it fancies. Because if the lightning flows through the building, obviously you can imagine lots of people or objects can be damaged along the way. So many tall buildings, and particularly tall buildings because they offer the shortest path from the cloud to the top of the building, have electrical conductors on their roofs. And simply this is a metal conductor that offers a path of less resistance, and the electricity and the current can flow all the way down into the ground, and the ground can absorb large amounts of electricity from that storm that is passing.